Today I'll be reviewing for you the all-new natural sea salt thickening spray from Oxford Hill. If you remember, this was the brand that had that cool new clay that we talked about a while back. It's getting a ton of buzz online actually right now, and this is their second release, so of course I was going to jump into it and check it out. Stay tuned to the end of this video for another giveaway as well. We're going to give away some free stuff, but first let's get a closer look at this spray. Coming across my desk once again is the natural sea salt thickening spray from Oxford Hill, and according to the brand, this is designed to amplify your hair's texture with what they call a breakthrough formula. Officially speaking, they list this as a light to medium hold with effortless waves, enhanced curls, and stunning volume using mineral-rich sea salts and powerful extracts that promote healthy, thick hair. Price-wise, we're looking at $28 for 4 ounces. Moving to the scent now, it's pretty easy to describe. We just have a lavender essential oil in there. It smells really good, actually. It's nice and infused into the formula. It's not too intrusive. It's very smooth and pleasing in my opinion. Moving straight into the demo now, let's test this out. We're going to go ahead and start this demo with an official before shot. This is my hair naturally, freshly blow dried, nothing else added, and this will be our baseline pretty much to see if this sea salt spray has any effect on it. I am going to use it as suggested by the brand too, spraying it in on damp hair and then blow drying it in. I'm going to go around my head with it a couple of times as I have a lot of hair and I want to make sure it all gets coated. I like to try and also get it down to the roots if I can. I think that really helps out as well. After that, I'm just going to hit it with the heat and get it fully dry, and here's what we got. And what I see is a lot of hold, a lot of structure, and I also think it's really trying to have that volume. You can see it right there in the front. If you look specifically there, you can see it's trying to stand up, but I think the length is really preventing a lot of that volume from coming through. It's just becoming a little heavy at this point, but really the biggest thing for me here is there's actually results. This isn't just a placebo nothing spray. This has great hold, solid texture, and I think in shorter hair or even finer hair, this would have really great volume. Here's also a look one more time at the before shot and then a full look at the after. And I think it's safe to say there's some decent results here. In the end on this one, I think I'm confident in saying we are entering a new period for sprays like this, and I'm all for it. I mean, for years, we had sprays that promised this and that and delivered little to nothing. I really think we're past those days now, and the last couple of sprays that I've tested have been worlds better, and this one falls into that category as well. I think it's got great hold, nice stability. I mean, the results are all there as far as texture and volume goes. It's all there and it's all visible, which is really great in my opinion. I think the scent is solid too. It smells really nice and fresh, and the whole thing rinses out with just water too, so that's always good. I think a lot of people appreciate that. The only criticism I might have on this one is I think the price might be a little high compared to others on the market that have a similar level of performance. Price though, just like everything else, is subjective, so that might not matter to you. Your money is your money in the end. And if you want to check out this awesome spray from Oxford Hill, I will leave a link in the description down below. While you're there too, you'll also find a link to the Gleam giveaway platform. That's where you can get entered for today's giveaway, which was graciously put on by Oxford Hill. All you got to do is follow that link and enter to win yourself some free stuff. That's all I got for you for today. Thanks so much for checking this out with me. If you'd be so kind as to drop me a like and tap that subscribe button, that would be much appreciated. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.